Dear students, today I am going to start a very important topic from chapter conic sections, that is parabola. Now first of all we will discuss the definition of parabola. A parabola is a set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point, and that point is not on the fixed line in a plane. So the fixed point is called focus and we denote it by capital F, and fixed line is called directrix. To understand more clearly this definition, let's see this figure. In this figure, this is parabola, and you can see that this line is called directrix and this point is focus. Now all the points which lie on this parabola are at equal distance from fixed line, that is called directrix, and fixed point which is called focus. Let's say a point P lies on the parabola, so distance of P from this fixed line directrix and from fixed point focus will remain the same. So next topic of this parabola is axis and vertex. Now what is axis? A line which passes through the focus. Now this line which passes through the focus is called axis, and this line is perpendicular to the directrix. Axis is perpendicular to the directrix and it passes through the focus. Then what is vertex? The point of intersection of parabola. Now this is parabola. Now where this parabola intersect with the axis, that point is called vertex, and the vertex lies at the origin. So the coordinates of vertex will be 0, 0. Then the most important topic related to parabola is latus rectum. Now what is latus rectum? It is a line segment which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. So what is latus rectum? A line segment which is perpendicular to the axis of parabola and it passes through the focus and its end points lie on the parabola, and length of latus rectum is always 4a. Now we will understand this concept of latus rectum through a diagram. In this figure we have point O, which is vertex of the parabola. F point is the focus of parabola and its vertices are A and 0. So OF is equal to A, means distance of X coordinate from the origin. So similarly AD is also A and DC is also A to the left side of the x-axis. So total distance AC will be A plus A is 2A, and we know that any point on parabola is equidistant from focus as well as from directrix. So if AC is 2A, then AF is also 2A. So 2A and 2A becomes 4A, as you know that parabola is symmetrical about its axis. So the length of latus rectum is always 4A. Now we come to know about standard equations of parabola. There are 4 standard equations of parabola, and I have drawn a table here. With the help of this table, you can better understand that in all these 4 equations, we have first and second equation is about x-axis, and third and fourth equation is about y-axis. Now first equation of parabola along x-axis, positive side of x-axis, that is right side of x-axis, its equation is y square is equal to 4ax. Here focus will be A and 0, and equation of directrix will be x is equal to minus a, and coefficient of x is positive, and latus rectum in all the cases will remain the same. Now second equation is along left side of x-axis, so its equation is y square is equal to minus 4ax and its focus is minus a and 0. Then equation of directrix will be x is equal to a. then coefficient of x is minus negative and latest rectum will remain the same. Third equation is towards the upside of y-axis. Its equation will be x square is equal to 4ay and focus will be 0 and a. Coordinates of focus will be 0, a, and then equation of directrix will be y is equal to minus a and coefficient of x will be positive. Latest rectum will be 4a. Then last equation will be x square is equal to minus 4ay. That will be along downside of y-axis. Its then coordinates of focus will be 0, minus a. Equation of directrix will be y is equal to a. Coefficient of x will be negative and latest rectum will be 4a. You can see all these four figures represent four equations of parabola. First equation is represented towards the right side of the x-axis. And the equation of directrix, as I told you, is x is equal to minus a. Similarly, second equation, that is y square is equal to minus 4ax towards the left side of the x-axis. Third equation is x square is equal to 4ay and it is towards the upside of y-axis. And fourth equation is downward direction towards the y-axis and its equation is x square is equal to minus 4ay. So all these four figures represent four equations of parabola. Now we will start exercise 11.2 which is related to parabola.